So we're going to put together the basic Arabic step with a pivot turn and a pencil turn. So I'm going to go ahead and turn around so you can follow more easily. We're going to start with the right foot, and we're going to take the right foot forward, in place with the left, back with the right, and we get that basic Arabic step. And then when we want to add a turn to it, we're going to do the pivot step. So with the pivot step, we're going to take, we're going to do another basic Arabic again. We're going to take the right foot forward, and this time we're going to transfer the weight so then we turn over our left shoulder, step forward again with the right foot, turn over the left shoulder again, and we're ready to start again on that right foot with the basic Arabic. We can also add arms to it, and we can also add a little hip bump to it, or what I love to do is a pendulum of the pelvis where it just swings forward and back. So as I rock forward, I'm squeezing my glutes, leading with my thighs, and then pulling back with my lower abs towards my sacrum, like we do when we do our hip circle. When we do that pelvic slide forward and back is what I'm doing. So if you want to add some arms to it, there's a lot of different arms you can do, which you can bring it here and then there. So it's like here you see it. So you're nice and open, and then you're hiding. Okay. You can also take the arms across the body. There's all kinds of fun things you can do with the arms. But for today, we're going to keep it nice and simple. We're going to go ahead and turn around again so you can see. Starting with the right foot, we're going to do arms reaching up and then crossing in front. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do that pivot turn, and I'm going to bring the arms up, and then I'm going to just draw and pushing the energy down. So this is directional energy as I come around with pivot turn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot turn, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if we kept doing pivot turns, we would be stuck on that same foot. We would continue doing the basic Arabic, leading with the right foot. So how do you get out of that loop? If I want to alternate. So I can start my pivot turn and end in a pencil turn. So when you do a pencil turn, you're bringing the legs together, you're coming up on the balls of your feet in releve, and you're making your body tight like a pencil. And so it looks like this with the basic Arabic, starting the pivot turn, ending with a pencil turn. So just the footwork, no arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot, turn. Now I'm going to suck the legs together, bring it towards that front foot here, and turn. And now my weight is centered, and I am able to go here, or there, or on this foot, because my weight is centered, and I'm able to go in any direction I want to go now. Okay, so let's take a look at that again. Turning with the right side, adding some arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot turn into a pencil turn. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do the left side, because now I'm freed up. I have a free leg here on the left. So I'm going left, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to do a pivot turn. Step forward the left, turn over my right shoulder, step forward with my left again, turning over my right shoulder. So let's do the basic Arabic into the pivot turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot turn, and again, and 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot turn. Now let's add some arms to that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, pencil turn. Let's do left side again. Left side leading, step forward to left, 2, 3, 4, step forward left, turn right, pencil turn around. Now we're ready to alternate. So start with the right, go into your pivot turn, ending in a pencil turn, and then pick up that left leg and jump right into doing the basic Arabic with the left foot. Here we go. 6, ready, go, and right, 2, 3, 4, pivot into the pencil turn, and left, 2, 3, 4, pivot turn, pencil turn, and there you go. All right, let's try that one more time, starting with the right side. 5, 6, ready, go, and right, 2, 3, 4, pivot, pencil turn, left side, 2, 3, 4, step forward with the left, pencil right foot, 1,